Hindi naman naglabas ng pahayag ang presidential son, si House Majority Leader Representative Sandro Marcos hinggil sa naging desisyon ng Committee on Justice sa impeachment case laban sa Pangulo. Si Bien Manalo sa detalye, magbabalita rin ng live mula sa Batasang Pambansa. Bien.
Princess, ipinapaubaya na ni Presidential son at House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos sa kinauukulan ang usapin ng impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
As I said in my previous statement, I am not the right party, or I have no moral authority to be discussing anything to do with the impeachment of the president, given my familiar relation with him. So I think let's leave it up to the wisdom of the Justice Committee and the other members of the House. But as far as I am concerned, I think it's best for me not to comment.
Iyan ang naging pahayag ng mambabatas kasunod ng pagbasura ng House Committee on Justice sa dalawang impeachment complaints laban sa presidente. At nang matanong naman siya kaugnay sa iba pang impeachment complaints, kabilang na ang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
I'm not going to be commenting on any impeachment complaints for anyone for the time being. Hindi ko pag-uusapan ang impeachment and anything to do with the topics or anything that was spoken about on the Committee on Justice hearing. I am recusing myself from anything and everything. So if it was mentioned in the Justice Committee hearing, I will not be commenting on it.
Samantala, nagbigay naman ng pahayag ang ilang mambabatas kaugnay sa naturang impeachment complaints laban sa Pangulo. Naniniwala si Negros Oriental 3rd District Representative Janice Degamo na walang basihan ang mga akusasyon laban sa Pangulo.
I believe that the third ground was relied so much on media reports, raised corruption concerns. However, it failed to show direct presidential acts with proof. Kaya sa paningin ko po, it is insufficient in substance.
Hindi naman patas para kay Baguio Lone District Representative Mauricio Domogan ang impeachment complaint na inihain laban sa punong ehekutibo.
It is not fair to allude to the president that he said this in the SONA just to distance himself from the said corruption. That is not fair. And considering all those that had been said, unfortunately, even on this third ground, there is no direct evidence that will justify the filing of an impeachment against the president.
Princess, ikinatuwa naman ng Malacanang ang naging desisyon na yan ng komite at sinabing iginagalang nila ang proseso ng naturang impeachment complaint. Naniniwala rin ng palasyo na walang nilabag si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. para maalis siya sa pwesto. At yan ang update mula rito sa Batasang Pambansa. Balik sa iyo, Princess.